As consumers grow more concerned about privacy, new regulations are reshaping the digital marketing landscape. Privacy laws now influence how companies collect, store, and use consumer data, often placing limits on targeting and data-driven marketing. Here are the top 10 privacy laws in the US impacting digital marketing today. 1. California Consumer Privacy Act, CCPA. The CCPA, one of the strictest privacy laws in the US, grants California residents the right to know what personal data companies collect, who it's shared with, and the option to opt out of data sharing. For marketers, this means enhanced transparency, stronger consumer consent practices, and potential limitations on third-party data usage in targeted campaigns. 2. California Privacy Rights Act, CPRA. As an extension of the CCPA, the CPRA introduces additional protections for consumers, including data minimization and restrictions on sensitive data, like health and financial information. Digital marketers must carefully manage data sources to comply with these stricter guidelines, especially when targeting specific demographics. 3. Children's Online Privacy Protection Act, COPPA. COPPA restricts how companies collect data from children under the age of 13. Marketers in family-oriented businesses must ensure they do not collect or store children's data without verified parental consent. Violations of COPPA can result in significant fines, making it crucial for businesses to verify age before collecting data. 4. Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, HIPAA. HIPAA protects sensitive health information from being shared without patient consent. For marketers in the healthcare industry, this law requires strict data handling and encryption practices. HIPAA limits personalized health-based marketing without explicit consent, impacting how health-related products are advertised. 5. Gramm-Leach-Bliley Act, GLBA. The GLBA regulates financial institutions and mandates strict data privacy measures for protecting consumers' financial information. For marketers in banking and finance, GLBA compliance requires clear communication regarding data usage and data sharing practices to ensure transparency and consumer trust. 6. Video Privacy Protection Act, VPPA. Originally created to protect video rental data, the VPPA now applies to digital video streaming. Companies that gather data from online video consumption for targeted marketing must provide users with clear consent mechanisms, ensuring compliance with the VPPA's requirements around personal viewing data. 7. CAN-SPAM Act. The CAN-SPAM Act regulates commercial emails, giving consumers the right to opt out of unwanted emails and mandating accurate sender information. For digital marketers, this law impacts email campaigns, requiring transparent subject lines, clear unsubscribe options, and valid physical addresses to avoid penalties. 8. Telephone Consumer Protection Act, TCPA. The TCPA restricts telemarketing, including SMS marketing, requiring consumer consent before sending promotional texts. Marketers using SMS for customer engagement must ensure they comply with the TCPA to avoid fines and lawsuits, often by using opt-in mechanisms and clear instructions for opting out. 9. Federal Trade Commission Act, FTC Act. The FTC Act prohibits deceptive advertising and enforces fair data practices. Digital marketers must prioritize accuracy and transparency in all advertising claims and data collection practices. Non-compliance can lead to investigations and substantial fines, as the FTC enforces consumer protection across digital marketing channels. 10. State-level data breach notification laws. Nearly every state has laws requiring companies to notify consumers if their data is compromised. Digital marketers must ensure they are aware of data breach obligations in the states where they operate, as failure to disclose breaches can damage a brand's reputation and lead to legal repercussions. With privacy regulations evolving, digital marketers need to stay informed and prioritize ethical data practices. These laws not only protect consumer rights but also encourage greater trust, promoting a more sustainable and customer-centric approach to digital marketing in the long run.